We'll start with the box. Do one diagonal line that way, another line that way, connect the bottom, two little short lines on each end, and then go down about that far, and then connect those two. I'm going to do two curved lines. This is just sort of a design on the box. Then we're going to add the fries. Start with fries in the front layer first. So you can vary the length, you can vary the direction that they're slanted, but you're just going to do first layer right in the front. Then we're going to keep adding more fries that will be behind the ones that you just drew. So you won't be drawing the whole french fry because part of it is behind the fries that we drew that were in the front. Kind of mix up the heights, the angles of them. And put about as many fries in there as you'd like to have. Okay, to do the drink, I'm going to start at the top and make an oval. This will be the lid. Two little short lines on each end, and then connect with a curve that mimics the curve above it. Then to make the cup, we're going to do slanted lines, kind of like what we did for the box for the fries, but it's going to be longer, and then it's curved on the bottom. A little oval for the hole where the straw goes in. Then you add your straw with a little oval on the top. Then I'm just going to add a wiggly line on my cup for a design.